Okay, so the ice maker auger stopped working. It would work a little bit, then it wouldn't work. So I was researching it. I was prepared to spend a couple $100 for a new motor down inside of here. But anyway, somebody said, check down here at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. You see the little wire nut there? I've got a little green wire here that's spliced in this blue wire. You can't really see it because it's so short. There's a blue wire, trust me, and it broke because of this movement in here. So I just took a little piece of wire, spliced it together with some tiny wire nuts, and she makes ice. I'm not gonna dump it out here. Before you go and spend a couple $100 and $100 for a service call, fix a wire, 2 wire nuts, about 10 cents, a piece of scrap splice wire. You're good.